right, let's now get into sports news with the Africa Cup for Club Championships beckoning. Hockey Premier League side Wazalendo HC hopes that events from past experiences will not be repeated after securing another chance to take part in the Continental Showpiece. Rutuno Kwanyike with the details.
In 2007, an unfortunate turn of events left Wazalendo Hockey Club unable to participate in the Africa Club Hockey Championships. Fast forward and they landed yet another opportunity to represent Kenya in the competition supposed to be held in Malawi from 30th November to 5th December 2020, after emerging runners-up in the Hockey Premier League last season.
2007 we had our challenges. We were trying to mull for funds, but we were unable to get the funds early. So by the time when we got the funds to go and book the tickets had already been booked. But we went to Egypt. We are glad we went to Egypt. We played international friendlies with those guys, Egypt under 21. We performed well.
We are using this to gauge how our players have developed compared to the rest of the Africa.
With the Continental Showpiece only a month away, the team, composed of different playing units, has been training in different areas in Nairobi and in tandem with the COVID-19 regulations, despite the uncertainty of participation linked to sports resumption in Kenya. But this is a situation that may soon change for the better.
We'll have these meetings next week, and I'm sure that as we conclude the meetings, we will announce the measures that we have agreed on and how we are going to be supportive of our national teams.
We have the teams training in small group. One group you have here. There's another group in Rongai. There's another group training in Ngong Road. There's another group training at Udhiru, and there's another one in South B, and of course some are in up country.
Already a lot has been done to beef up the squad in readiness for the challenge, and optimism runs high with expectations that lessons from the previous experience will be put to good use.
In 2007 we had a few players. Most of them were working, so training basically was different. We were still a growing nation by that time. We were not as good team as today, but this time we are a very good team. We have young players. They are good. They have their best skills.
I'm aiming to be at least top 2 in the top scorer list and help the team reach at least top 4 in the tournament.
Wazalendo will feature alongside reigning Kenya hockey champions Butali Warriors. 13 years down the line since Wazalendo Hockey Club last participated in the Africa Club Championship, they've gotten yet another chance to represent Kenya in the event, and hopefully this time round things will pan out differently. Rutuno Kwanyike, KTN Sports.
2 months after KTN News